Alright, this is not train related, but I'll put it on my page anyways for people to find. 2010 Mercury Milan. Hey folks, it's NB Graphics here. Going to show you how to change the light bulb on a 2010 Mercury Milan. This is the easy way to do it. Right. Anyways, what I ended up doing is I ended up removing the overflow bottle, which actually sits right inside here in this position. It's 2 screws. Get it back out. It's 2 screws, both 10 millimeter. One in that hole there, and that is a nut. You will need a deep well 10 millimeter socket to access this particular one. And then it is this hose. It's got a funny clamp on it, but a regular pair of needle nose pliers, you can work it off. I would suggest a long extended reach set. The next thing you have to do, I did not need to remove that. That was a prior attempt at getting in. Is this hose down here. Again, it's got an oddball clamp, but you'll need to, with a pair of needle nose pliers, you can get that off. I ended up having, because I have the tools, this is a special pair of hose clamp pliers, and I have a larger set of these also in my back pocket that I will use to reattach these hoses on once I'm done. In order to access the light bulb, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the light bulb is, you can see the connector right there for it, and my hand is kind of pointing. There is the light bulb access. You can see there's really almost zero room in this particular vehicle. The last time I did this, I actually removed the front wheel, which was the instructions that was given, other than the ones that's in your owner's manual that says take it to a dealer. But that's probably the quickest and easiest way to gain access to the, and this is the passenger side headlight assembly. It uses a single 9005 bulb for both high beam and low beam. This says 9006, but don't pay attention to the box. It is in fact a 9005. This is the Sylvania Silver Star, which lasted just its 2 years like it said it would. And there's the numbers on it, should you guys interested in buying some of these guys. But that is a 9005 that uses it. And it basically uses a shield over the bulb to generate the high beam and low beam function. So the bulb itself is always in the on position. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it in, and I'll take another quick video when this is all done and said, and hopefully it'll be 2 headlights again. Talk to you soon.